Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about markers. Permanent markers this time. Permanent markers come in handy for a lot of things, including marking your food storage cans with the date you bought it on, and for marking other things that, children's clothing, especially when, going to school, start up a new school year, and they're going to school and everybody has new jackets that are, not used to what their jacket looks like. Write their name on the tag inside or on the inside of the material around the neck there. That way, they're not going to lose their jacket quite so easily. You can also write it on their backpacks and other important items that they need to have. Permanent markers have a lot of use, and I bet you can come up with a lot more uses to put down in the comments section here below. All right, so think about it, share your ideas with everybody else, and I'll see you in the next video. But first, I'm going to put some links up here. I'm going to put the link to my other channel, Camp, Pet, and Family Compound, up here, where I got a lot of interesting things over there for preparedness and for gardening. And I'm going to put a couple of playlists over here that you can share with people that know you're prepping so they can get prepped, so they don't come after your stuff and take your stuff from you and your family.